We're here at the Manufacturing and Innovation Hub at Northumbria Trust, and we're manufacturing blankets for Ukraine. We're manufacturing the blankets because I was sat watching the TV one evening and I saw that the refugees are living in conditions where it's under -5 degrees. And I thought, I know they're getting all the medical supplies that they need and the PPE, but what they need is something to keep them warm for the families and for the children. And it was an ideal opportunity for our staff to help with that.
We feel by doing something, anything, we're helping, for just the Ukrainians as well, just to help keep them warm.
I think that all the staff feel really good about being able to do something to help. It's absolutely tragic what's going on in Ukraine, and it's, I think there's children and women that are having to flee their country, and none of us can really appreciate what that must be like.
Well, the idea is, as I say, from Sarah Rose and the management. As soon as we heard about it, we all jumped on board. We'll all work as a team here. We're a big family. We've done mornings and we'll do a night time. And hopefully the blankets will get out there to the mothers and the young children, keep them warm.
If contributing this can help that, although it's only just a small part, then I think it'll make us feel better for being able to help in some way.
We are doing it in our own time. We feel as if we need to help, and this is the way that we can help them.
Some of the girls are quite emotional and we just want to do our bit, and we'll just hope they get out there in time for them.